As much as I've been trying to, there's no avoiding that this pathway has to be my next focus. The steps here are fine, although the wall here needs a little bit of repair. But this is where it all falls apart. This bit has collapsed roughly in the time we've owned the property, but not recently. This bit of wall is way out. I am hoping that we can clear in behind that and push it back. I'm an optimist. So my goal here is to try to assemble the mess that has fallen down and reassemble it into the garden below, roughly in the shape that it was on the actual wall to start with, and then rebuild it from scratch. Being used to sandstone, this stuff is heavy. Watch this, it's gonna be fun. That's a pretty good start. Still have to pull out this bit of wall. There's some chicken wire reinforcing in there. And we have all of this settled down over here, waiting for me to reassemble it into a wall or some semblance thereof. Today's goal is to clean out the last bit of the collapsed wall and to prepare to clean out behind the leaning wall. I still have to get a mattock from Bunnings, so I can't really get to digging out behind there just yet. Behind the wall that fell down, there is a whole other wall. Thought as much as I'd be pulling out rock that doesn't actually belong to the wall. And that's going to be good news, because that means I've got a lot more selection when I come to rebuilding the wall, and I don't have to exactly rebuild it the way that it was. It's double thickness here. There's a front and a back piece of stone. From this mess to this starting point, ready now to start repairing and rebuilding the wall.